What up, folks? I made it. I'm here on Pryor Gap Road and Redstar Drive, here up in the Pryors, or getting close to being up in the Pryors anyway. It's taking me about an hour or so, for maybe an hour and a half to get here. I think I'm getting, the mountains are like right there, so I figured I'd just stop here and do a quick little vlog. I also grabbed my GH4 out. I've got the GoPro still going, so cut into more GoPro time-lapse and GH4 slow motion now. Alright, I got a little bit of video on my GH4, not a ton, but all some cool slow motion, so I hope you enjoyed that along with that GoPro footage. We're up here, baby. Finally getting close up to the Pryor Mountains. There they are right there. Feels pretty close. So yeah, they kind of start right there, and then there's some cool stuff right there. And yeah, this road is a little bit sketch, so check that out. But now at this point basically I'm just trying to find a kind of a cool place to fly my drone to use up one of the batteries, which I'm kind of tempted to just do right here. I don't know, it looks kind of cool with this field here, but I'm gonna wait until I get up a little bit higher, I guess. So that was it, nice little update. What up, folks? But we're up here in the Pryor Mountains, so I'm gonna get one quick drone flight in right here, I guess, and I just wanted to do a quick little vlog intro. Drone flight in the Pryor Mountains now. Right here. Pretty cool. Well, this is kind of unfortunate because I just ran into like another dead end out here. I don't know, Google is just giving me directions to get to a campground that I've been, a campground site, I think Sage Creek Campground. It didn't work. The other road over there, I guess, might have worked eventually, but I don't know, it was just too sketch. And then this road here, Google actually didn't tell me to go down, but it's just a dead end too. So I'm out here. I moved a little bit from my last location, so I guess I'm gonna do another drone flight, baby, right now. All right. Second drone flight is done. Hope you guys enjoyed that second drone flight. I know I did. I didn't bust out the GH4 at this little stop, but I don't know if you guys could tell on some of that video. You can tell this road definitely like goes and like connects.
Similar to Elcano's.
Oop, there's my book on tape. What I was saying is you can tell this road actually keeps going, and I could probably get through that snow, but it hasn't been driven on. I'm turning back around. I kind of hit 2 dead ends up here. At least I know this area a little bit better. This is a different area than I went last year. So if you check out my other Pryor Mountains vlog, that's a totally different side of the mountains. It's like over that way more. So that's that. I'm gonna get one more drone flight in. I'm gonna go back around, see if I can't get turned around a little bit. Go back that way. I don't have cell service out here, so I'm cruising without cell service, but that's what we're doing. We're adventuring, we're lost, we don't have cell service, we don't have Google Maps. Let's do it. What up, folks? So here's the deal. It's 4:25. I've literally been sitting here for about 20 minutes now. I've got my GH4 doing a time lapse. I'm kind of up here on basically a really high point. And so I'm actually on the road to Edgar, Montana, coming from like Pryor, essentially. It's kind of where I'm at, and you can see all kinds of different mountain ranges up here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And the sun is not starting to go down, but it is like getting low in the sky over here, and so we have some really interesting lighting conditions out here. It's an absolutely beautiful day out here. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's, I don't know, 40 or 50 degrees. Like I can be out here just in this sort of long sleeve shirt and be totally fine. and the sky is really clear. I can see all the way to the Crazy Mountains over there. I can see the Absaroka Beartooth Mountains right here, and I can see the Pryor Mountains right here. So let me show you. So we'll start. This is the road that I just came in on, and if you look over here, these are the Pryor Mountains. So these are the Pryor Mountains right there, and if you come looking this way, there's the sun going down, and these are over here to the west, and this is what I'm taking a time lapse of. You can see my GH4 right there. It's taking a time lapse of just those clouds and stuff. And so you look over there, that's the Absaroka Beartooths. Zoom in here a little bit. So yeah, those are the Absaroka Beartooths that you can see, and I'm getting a time lapse of that because I think that looks kind of cool. And then over here, it's going to be probably hard to see, but I'll zoom in and I think you'll be able to see. Yeah, you'll be able to see. Those are the Crazy Mountains. Those are the Crazy Mountains, and they're gorgeous, and they're just way off in the distance there. And then actually over here you can see, I believe those are the big snowies. Over here. You can barely see them. So anyways, how cool is that? And I've got my truck running because I am doing one more battery. So I've got 2 drone flights in, I've got 1 more full battery, and then I'm going to get 2 drone flights right here, but I'm getting this awesome time lapse. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna get some drone flights up here, baby. Let's go. Yo, 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 what up, Lecture fan in the house, coming at you through the G7X out here in the middle of nowhere in Montana. One thing I've been thinking about is story in my YouTube videos, and especially my vlogs and stuff like this, and obviously there's not like, this isn't about anything. I'm not making a point here. I think the story or the reason to watch my vlogs is basically to do what I'm doing in my life, which is enjoying the Montana outdoors. You know, that's all it really is. And getting to know places in Montana, and getting to know Montana, and getting to know different mountain ranges and seeing different mountain ranges. And also just the act of filmmaking I like, and to preserve sort of the experience and the filmmaking experience itself through film. Know what I mean? So anyway, I just wanted to make that point. Anyways, I did my last drone flight, or I did my third drone flight, and then I might spend some time getting some slow motion around here too. There's a dad and a kid that are hunting right here. They left, they walked about 10-15 minutes later, boom, I heard this big shot ring out, and then they came back and they got this like cart thing, and I think they're going to be carting out a deer here in a second, so I think they shot the deer. So I got 4 drone flights out here. I got a whole bunch of other cool footage and stuff. It's been a highly successful day. Quite the story. I hope you guys enjoyed all the cinematics and everything else. I hope you feel like you know a little bit more about the Pryor Mountains, the Crazy Mountains, the Absaroka Beartooth Mountains, the town of Pryor, which is a little town I drove through to get here, the town of Edgar, Montana, which is what this road is going to. Honestly, it looks like we're gonna have a fantastic sunset. It looks like an amazing sunset. Right now it's like 4:35. It's ridiculous how early the sun goes down. I think I might let this keep time-lapsing, just because we're now pretty much at the sunset, and it looks like it could be a good one. So I'm just gonna keep that thing time-lapsing. I'm gonna listen to my book on tape. I'm doing The Great Explorers. I'm almost done with it. I'm learning about Francis Drake's voyage around the world. We're just about done, but I'm gonna let that time-lapse finish, or let it time-lapse for another maybe 20 minutes while the sun goes down. So enjoy that time-lapse and the beautiful music and the beautiful time-lapse out here in the Pryor Mountains of Montana now.